Mataas ang ere at tingin sa sarili ng head coach ng Vietnam na si Matt Van Velt. Bago kasi ang laban ng Gilas at Vietnam sa SEA Games, ayon sa report ng mga local media ng Vietnam noon ay sinabi ng head coach ng Vietnam na hindi nito kinikilala ang Gilas Pilipinas bilang powerhouse team sa SEA Games. Dahil sa tingin nito, wala namang special at well-scouted naman daw nila lahat ng player ng Gilas. At walang dapat ikatakot. Inamin pa nito na bagamat sa history ng SEA Games, dominant ang Pilipinas sa basketball. Pero sa tingin nito na hindi na daw malayo ang agwat ng Pilipinas sa mga bansa sa SEA Games, lalo na sa Vietnam. At hindi daw sila naghanda para matalo, kundi ay manalo sa Pilipinas. Ganun ba?
Matthew Wright. They go into Era. Soft double D, he turns, and he's
Rebounds off the bench in that win versus Malaysia.
but straight to the basket. Ito si Tran, Washington State Cougars back in the United States.
Right.
So US trained din yan.
Led the way in scoring versus Malaysia. Spoy Aram knocks in a mid-range shot.
Did play for Batang Gilas many years ago. So may international experience na yan. But this is different. Oh, there's an interception. And this is going to be an easy layup para kay Tandin. Distracted by the defense of the tall centers. Nguyen, he's their tallest player at 6'8". Dirker on the break. This is a three and gives his team a lead, 7-4. Tagal na rin yan nagsaserve sa kanilang national team.
Since 2019 at least.
Here's Dalf Panopio. He misses, pero andun si Boy Aram to clean that up. 6 early points. Here come the Philippines. Chance to grab the lead back sa sequence na ito. And there it is. Jamie Malonzo slams it home.
Late.
So that's the Jamie Malonzo we have come to know through the years. Nakaagaw ang Pilipinas. Lead pass way ahead to Ray Ray. That's an easy lay-in para kay second generation.
Can play at least 3 positions and defend all those positions as well with ease.
Maganda ng atake.
Rebounds off the bench in that win.
Heading the other way. Oh, no one near him sa kanyang mga kakampi. He takes it anyway, misses, but then there's Gilas. They swing it around. One Casomales in the game as well, but it's 30 Ravenna now. The mid-range. Jumper is good for 30.
Super strong. 30 Ravenna gets to his shooting spot.
The chance to play for the national team. Another three hoisted up by Vietnam. And you know, if you let them take it that many times, but si Prince will just get started on his second year next season. Here come the red shirts. A chance to regain the lead. Mr. Wiggle ang tawag sa kanya. He was...
Pero after makalaro mo ng isang quarter, at least makilala mo, alam mo ng bantayan. Somebody's open.
He's gonna get his first 2 points in this game. Napapasok lang Manzano. That time with a 5-second difference between the clocks. Here he goes again. They kick to the corner. Nice setup for the big man. And he puts that one in. Knocking down to 3. Win-win.
Nakakatakbong Vietnam at nahatak yung mga helpers natin para malibre yung mga bigs na tumatama mula sa labas. Biggest lead. 5 puntos sa kalamangan ng Malaysia at lumamang pag tapos ng first 20 minutes ng 42-26.
Well, that's a welcome basket. Pointer, finally, you just mentioned it. We needed outside shooting. Sergi Ravenna puts that one in. But binawi naman agad ng Vietnam.
Matchup.
From College of St. Vito, may shoulder injury yata si Liwag. So, tamang-tama, ipinasok ang veteranong si Aram. He's doing well so far. But look at that. Another inside incursion and they're getting...
Para sa Pilipinas, bagay na nagawa ng maayos kontra sa Malaysia kaya walang mapuntahan ng opensa nila sa halos kabuuan ng pangalawang quarter.
Binalik sa kanya, atake ng baseline. Stopped by Boy Aram, good defense. Here comes the Philippines. Matthew Wright will stop and pop from 3. That's how you do it.
Oh yes.
In the meantime, ito Vietnam, di diskarte.
Laban sa change-up defense ng Pilipinas. Oh wow.
But here it is again, no? Pag-tref ng Pilipinas, bumabawi ang Vietnam with it. Tran now handling it, down to 7 seconds on their shot clock. He'll try again. And he'll make it again. And that's an 11-point lead, coach. pass goes to the big man. Nguyen on the run. Elegant
my.
shot. Ala Ramon Fernandez yun.
Pambihira naman, lahat ng ipinukol ay pumasok. Pero kailangan maswertihin tayo mula sa opensa dito sa mga natitirang minuto and a good second quarter finish. Ayan.
Now Panopio hitting that three. Nice setup from Matthew Wright.
Shoot kahit paano, ayan na naman, atake.
At yung nawala sa kanyang bola, it ends up in the arms of his teammate, in
Yun
the
ang
hands of his
sinasabi
teammate, and he
natin.
knocks it in. Manzano running with him. Instead, he goes to Chua. To the side, Matthew Wright releasing from three and connecting.
7 straight points for the Philippines.
Panopio sets up Chua. The fake, the drive, and the layup for Justin Chua.
9 straight points for the Philippines.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Berto Bolic with the possession. Kicks it out. Matthew Wright, another three on the way. That's good!
Wow. A long ball. That's his third three-point conversion, by the way.
Matthew will try again. This one is way short. Pero andun sa ilalim, the man we were talking about, Cedric Manzano.
Open.
Kicks it to the cover. That's a finger roll mula kay JP Eram.
You know what Robert Bolic can do. 2-point lead for the Philippines.
Tran is in a bind. Balls on the floor. Nakuha na ng mga nakaputi. Sparks up ahead. Easy layup for Matthew Wright.
And easily Matthew Wright at the forefront. This mark of quarter 3. So, halos 6 na minuto na scoreless spell para dito sa Vietnam from the field. Ooh.
Yan na, the outside shot from the big man. Win up ahead to Berto Bolic. He'll drop it to the trailer.
Nice.
Matthew Wright will not convert. Ray Parks is there outside to Bolic. He'll take a three instead. That goes! Napakanda ba?
Oh, naman.
Bit of a hesi move. He'll take the jumper. That's off target. Tapigan ng bola. It's on the floor. Tran picks it up. Got some white shirts in front of him. He'll attack. And the layup para sa kanya. But it's just a 3-point lead. Precarious to say the least, and now it's down to just one. Win.
Sets aside.
Malonzo could have been in trouble, and they are saying that. That's what Vietnam is saying. But hindi na tayo magugulat kasi pumapasok ang mga threats ng Vietnam mula sa pool na ating laro. Ito na. Berto, some contact, dropping it to Eram. And he finishes strong, looking for a foul as well. Bolic the kick to Malonzo. Didn't take the three, drives inside, lost it. Parks will take a three instead. That's short. Malonzo will power up for the putback. Well, the Philippines made a run, but Viet tracking it down. 2 baskets for him here. Jerker will drive, drop it over. Nguyen inside. And the big guy, Nguyen, gets an inside incursion this time. Found an answer, coach. We're all tied up at 55 in the third quarter. So, ng Pilipinas, good rebounding. Oh, look at that! What a
Aside.
Anyone thought that Vietnam would hang this long with the Philippines, but they didn't just hang. Fergie Ravena's going to check in at the next dead ball. In the meantime, napunta na naman kay Nguyen. And this man is oozing with confidence. He ties it up at 55.
Outside, inside, and mid-range.
Fight back. Ang strategy ni Coach Matt Van Pelt has been working. The kick out the three-point land. Matthew Wright! Anyone thought the Philippines is in a fight right now contra sa Vietnam. The drive. He puts it up. Halos back to the basket na ginawa ni Vauban. Panopio setting the table. Goes behind his back. Tries to drive. Puts it up. And he gets it to go. The pass inside to Eram. He's able to handle it this time, but he's blocked upstairs. Good defense from the big guys. Win. Underneath, Bolic kept it alive. Outside to Parks. 10 seconds to shoot. Bolic releases from 3. That's good! Much needed. Make it a quick
Pero
possession game.
4-point bonus play. Ang 3-point
okay.
conversion.
Stay away from that.
Yes.
Bolic. The 3. Good!
There you go.
For Berto Bolic. Bolic now looking for some room. Poy Eram setting the screens. They go back to Poy. He's thinking about it. He'll take it. And he will make a 3 for the top of the key. What a shot. Nice up fake. Jumper mid-range. Matthew Wright bit in. Malone's on the board.
That's a big
Putback
one.
is good. And Jamie's been working hard underneath.
Indeed.
Jerker will drive. Lose it momentarily. He's able to recover. Good hands. Win from 3.
No.
Nakapasok pa ng isa yung big man. Hindi na, okay na yan. So Philippines survives. I'll say survives. Vietnam 78-67. Nice.